Hello, everybody. Happy first day of school. I am Miss G, and I am here to give you the quick video overview of how class is going to work and your two tasks for today. So, you are here, you are in Modern Myth, Comic Books, and Superheroes. How will our class work? So, every day we are going to start at our scheduled time, and we'll start by going to Google Classroom and joining the Meet that's posted in Classroom. I will be live with you on our Google Meet. Maybe we'll switch to Zoom eventually. Every day at the start of class, we'll be doing some check-ins, and I will basically teach the lesson. When we're done with that lesson or the first part of the lesson, I'm going to have you work in breakout spaces. We'll start that in a couple weeks. Just for this week, you're totally welcome to stay in the main Google Meet with me and work on your assignments, just leaving the Meet open in one tab. Maybe work on your assignment in another tab and you pop over if you have a question. In the future, we'll have a different breakout room where you can be with other students with your cameras and or your audio on, talking through the learning work together and helping each other. In the future, I'll also have a chill workroom, a breakout room that's chill, where you can be with other people working on the same assignment, but it's real quiet. You don't have your cameras on, you don't have your audio on. You would just help each other out by using the chat space. I'm also live. I will also be live in our Google Meet to end every class period too. So check back the last 10, 15 minutes before your digital work time, and I will be there just waiting to talk with you and see how your day went, answer any questions, kind of make sure that you're on the right track, and get you set for the next day. What happens if you miss class? What if you have to work or you have family responsibilities? What if you get sick? It's going to be okay. I structure our class so that you can complete your lessons on demand. That means every lesson will be posted in order in Google Classroom. I'll make them very clear which week it is, which lesson it is. Okay. You'll get a video just like this of me teaching the lesson to you. I will make sure the assignment in Google Classroom has all the materials and some step-by-step instructions. So if you do need to do the work outside of our class time, you're going to be okay. I'll make sure that you have rubrics or examples to help you stay on track. And if you are not with us, I will still, and you turn in something that you've done on your own, I will try to get feedback to you as quick as I can. So what we're going to do first, our first check-in is I like this activity. It's called Boring Facts. And I would like you to think up a fact that's true about you that isn't particularly exciting. I don't want to know that you went to France. I don't want to know that you learned how to skydive 3 summers ago. I want a boring fact. The more boring, the better. Here's my fact. I eat the crusts of my kids' leftover pizza. So if you're in class with us today, I would set the minute timer and everyone would answer in the chat, talk about it, laugh at how boring our lives are, and then move on. This is just a way to kind of get to know each other in a safe and silly way. If you are doing this on demand, you can just throw this in a private message in the Google Classroom assignment for today, because I still want to know that utterly boring fact about yourself. Okay, so our first task is a get to know you survey. The survey is right here. It's in a Google form. The reason I'm asking for some get to know you information, and there's a lot, is because we're not in person together and I have so many questions. I really just want to get to know what kind of learner you are, what your interests are, more about your family, more about your personality. All of that is going to help me plan a class that's going to work well for you. So go ahead. Task number 1 is the survey. You're going to click here. It's going to take you to a Google form. Be sure to come back because there's more to do. All right, second task. In English, the English department, every single English teacher is doing a boot camp lesson on Google Classroom. So I need you to click here. There's a series of slides that are going to give you the tips and tricks to be successful in your classes here in my class using Google Classroom. Everything we do in this class is about using Google Classroom, so I really need to make sure that all of you are good to go. You might think you are. I still want you to go through the slides. There's some action steps embedded in those slides that I'll need you to do. Okay? And please come back here when you are done. All right. So let's just stop and take a check. It's day one, week one, lesson number one. I asked you to complete the Get to Know You survey. It might have taken you a while. That's fine. I have a lot of things I want to learn about you. So if that's done, great. If you've completed your Google Classroom Bootcamp, great. If you haven't done one or two of these, go make sure they're done. Once you have finished the survey and finished the Google Classroom Bootcamp, go on in to Google Classroom for today's assignment and click that mark as done. Congratulations. Thank you. I will see you next time. If you have a question, you can email me or you can call or text me at my Google Voice number, which is right there. I'll see you guys next time.